Hi friends, welcome to my new video. I am presently at the Brendan Boatyard, a CGH Experience Hotel at Fort Cochin. Brendan Boatyard in Fort Kochi is inspired from its colonial history, a former shipyard in British times. It's been converted into a hotel by the Casino Group of Hotels, which is known as the CGH Experience Hotels. Today, I'm going to introduce Mr. Bijoy, the GM of this property. Welcome, Mr. Bijoy, to our channel.
Thank you, Joseph.
Fine.
The view of the backwaters and the Arabian Sea is amazing from the Brendan Boatyard. Brendan Boatyard is a perfect combination of history, heritage, culture, and charm. It is inspired by the Dutch Portuguese style of interiors. Let us know about the location of Brendan Boatyard and the destination Fort Kochi.
Fort Cochin actually is the meeting place of Arabian Sea and the backwaters. Now we can see Waipin Island there. So basically we are in the harbour and the sea mouth. That's the beauty of this property. A charming seaside area. Fort Cochin is known for its Dutch, British and Portuguese colonial architecture and elaborated fishing nets across the Fort Kochi beach. So this is Waipin Island. Now we have this Fort Cochin connection with RO Jenga service, and we have this LNG terminal there.
Okay.
So basically it's the beauty. When you stand here, it's all of Fort Cochin comes in this. So basically, this is the beauty. Arabian Sea is there, mouth, and this lake joins there.
Right.
So we are actually in the forefront of the sea which you are seeing.
So what about the cruise ships coming?
Yeah, basically we have these cruise ships coming in. We have this ship dock there. So basically this is the route for the cruise ships as well as, so basically we have this fascinating view always.
So could you please help me know about the history of this property and why you have named Brendan Boatyard?
So Brendan Boatyard, the name clearly says it's actually part of Geo Brendan Boatyard, which was running by two twin brothers, George Brendan. And they have been running this boatyard in 1980s and till mid of 90s. And after the independence, they went to UK and it was taken over by the Chettiar family. So now Chettiar family have run this boatyard, but they incurred a lot of loss. They could not run after a certain point of time. And they have demolished the building and they have tried to gather a little bit money to bear the loss. And this land was a wasteland for some time and it was part of port. Then only in 1992, CGH took over. CGH have taken the land and the building was made between 92 and 98. That's how this building has come up. And 98, August 15, we opened Brendan Boatyard with 26 rooms. Now, when CGH took over, basically it's with the CGH core values which has come in. Local ethos, environmental friendly, was actually the main focus of attraction.
So what are the preparations for the Christmas?
Christmas. So Christmas is all about Christmas Eve, that is 24th evening, as well as Christmas lunch. So both we have plans. We have two-piece instrumental music which is there as live for guests.
I see.
And they have, because this is the area which we are planning. So they'll have an excellent view, great location. And I'm sure they will have an excellent experience which we are going to give. And the same thing goes for lunch also. Lunch we are planning in restaurant. New Year we have great plans this time because we have our own crowds here this time. More than normally it used to be foreign crowds, but our own local crowds are going to be here this time. So for them we are creating the experience. That's our plan. So we have approached people. It's actually live band we are looking at, but it will be more into local in content. So basically for them, we are doing it, it will be made to their taste.
Hi Sanjay, thank you so much. Could you please explain me about the cookies you brought?
Okay, so these are the shorties what we give you for the high tea here, and it consists of carrot cake, home baked cookies, and onion fritters.
Onion fritters. Okay.
So with mixed tea and sugar.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Why don't you have one of the cookies?
Okay, fine. Let me try. Let me try the cookies.
Give us a review.
Super.
Great.
So what do you normally serve during the evenings for the guests?
Evenings we have as a high tea we give. So traditional here we have onion pakoda and cake, which is like carrot cake, which is special, and cookies, which is a normal thing. So we give all these three together as a high tea for the guests. Once before they go for the boat cruise, we give basically from 5 to 5:30. That's the time, and they go for boat. They have that energy fresh to see our new things in and around Fort Kochi.
They baked it from your own
Our own
in-house
bakery.
bakery.
Our own in-house bakery.
That's nice. Yeah.
So that specialty snacks we make every time. It might be something even Kozhikode, whatever local snacks we make. Even like we have banana fry. So all that. It keeps changing every day.
So you give a combination of the Western as well as the traditional touch.
Yeah, that's the plan.
So let me try. This is tempting. Let me try this more. Wow. It's a very good short eat also. Go along with the cocktail. The flavor, the taste, the spices and the fragrance, everything keep a traditional touch. So with high tech with high touch and homely touch.
Thank you, Joseph, for the nice words which you're using for us.
I had a wonderful experience in the evening at the Brendan Boatyard overlooking the ocean. Today, we are lucky to witness the naval ships cruising towards the Arabian Sea on the occasion of the Navy Day.
In India, December 4 is observed as the National Navy Day. It is to celebrate the achievement and role of the naval force to the country. The theme of Indian Navy Day 2021 is Swarnam Vijay Varsh, signifying 50 years of India's victory in the Indo-Pakistan War that took place in 1971.
Brendan Boatyard is a perfect place for those who value history and serenity.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, namaste. Look forward to see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.
Don't forget to like and share my videos. Comment below and let me know how you liked it. Please do subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of exciting videos coming soon.